NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Manufacturing Governance Videography. This video demonstrates a real-world governed manufacturing intelligence cockpit developed using NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, powered by the 3D, 10D AI DNN Engine, Cognitive Cube, Analyzer 1.0, and the IGA 2026 architecture. The cockpit showcases how enterprise manufacturing data can be transformed into governed intelligence through KPI, TSI, OSI, RMSE, threshold analytics, predictive monitoring, and governance-based decision validation. Rather than functioning as a traditional dashboard, the system operates as a governed enterprise decision support cockpit where AI-generated intelligence is continuously validated before execution approval. The videography highlights the evolution from predictive AI toward governed enterprise intelligence where inform rightward arrow govern rightward arrow assure operates as a complete life cycle. Through manufacturing governance flows, analyzer-based validation, threshold intelligence, and audit-ready DSS visualization, the cockpit demonstrates how organizations can improve operational visibility, governance assurance, predictive stability, risk monitoring, and controlled execution across enterprise environments. Invented and architected by Dr. Pradeep K. Suri, this work represents a major step toward enterprise-grade governed AI systems designed for the post-LLM era.